Esukuru y'abanyaruka ya Kibingei igotoka ase sub-county ya Belgut county ya Kericho nigobonegenderete konyora umuchando omonene bw'Amache igigekorera koba EGETANGO ekenene ase OGOIKERANIA obokoreri bwabo bw'ECHISEMI ase esukuru eyo ase engaki entambe bono nigo aborokigwa abanyaruka b'esukuru eyo bakonyora chingaki chinkong'u ase kobabetereria kogenda na korigia oroche rore ang'e erikonyora Amache ayo arache kobakonya goikerania obochenu bwabo koreng'ana omwarimu omonene bw'esukuru eyo nigo bono aikire ensinyo ase okogenderia gosira abana abo abanyaruka une enchira yokoenekia emiroberio yende yobochenu ase esukuru eyo murikito Vincent Munda agotomanya senchire gwikirana
Asegeka kimetinyeta tobono abarokigwa b'esukuru ya Kibingei nigo babeire bakuya Amache kurwa soroche rorang'e gakoenekia ayonsi chingaki bariganiria amasabo ase abarokigwa baria bagochia goisaransa ase amatemu amanene omwarimu omonene w'esukuru eye Jacqueline Ngetich nigakoerera amakong'u ababwateranete ase esukuru eye.
We have a lot of challenges that we are going through at this moment in time. Being the water challenge that we are experiencing due to the ongoing road construction. Our pipes were dug out, and these girls have been going to the river to carry water for the iron use and for the kitchen use.
Gakorera ayonsi nigo mwarimu yatebire yabeire akong'u kogendereria omuroberio bw'ECHISEMI ase esukuru eyo gwetera buna nonye nigo nigabwata amadeni y'echibesa echiatarakana abakori egasi rideni ria chisiringi gwetania 503.
We had arrears, salary arrears for our non-teaching staff and also for the teachers employed by the BW'ECHISEMI, and it has been accumulating since then, and it's really difficult and not easy for me as the school principal to run the school.
Omokonyi bw'omunyakerogo bwa board ase esukuru eyo Moses Rotich nigatebire omunyakondo kwagacha eparence emeyo nigayereti kolema chikenya asaretire obotutukanu ase ensemo ya Amache egento bwega goteba kuya Amache kurwa roche nigo kogokora chingaki cha masomo ase abarokigwa abo.
The constructor who was doing this road, the Kibingei road, we had water, and they could not even wait for us to remove. They could move straight, dug the road surf, and destroy the pipes. Even the community are crying, we don't want to see the cars going. What time will they be reading?
Bono nigo bakoboria baraibo gwanchoko ya kubasira nario baraikeranie emiroberio yabo buya.
As being here as Madam Janet Rutter from Dallas, Texas, the outgoing president got up International. They deserve the resources that they can be better citizens. These are the citizens for tomorrow. And I want to encourage anybody who is listening to me, who is having a goodwill, to come and let's pull together.
So we really call upon our leaders and any other person of goodwill to kindly assist us reconnect our water, which you are always having it before the construction of the road.
Vincent Munda, Ensoko TV.